All right, guys. It seems like BTC buyers are running out of fuel right now on 2 days push up from 2nd December and then on the 3rd December. So let's start our analysis from BTC. Now, since October 7th, BTC has been in downtrend. Okay, now how do you define a downtrend? That is when you see price making lower lows and high. So we have low here, there's another low here, high here, lower low, low high, lower low. Okay, fine. So since 21st November, this is after this bearish candle close. This is where we see buyers coming in to the market with strong buying. So on the 23rd November, 24th November, 26th November, 27th November, that was a strong buying days. And then after price hit the 20 EMA line, there was attempted decline. Yeah, out of nowhere, we saw the buyers in the market again. This candle or price bar particularly closed above previous day candle high. So all the losses made on this day, this candle was able to recover. And then there was a follow through day candle after this candle that closed above the 20 EMA line, slightly above the pivot high. If I'm to put my horizontal line here at 92,955 level, where my horizontal line is. Yeah, but if we are reading the price information, I think it's 93,091. Okay, so 93,091. Okay. And then yesterday, the market retraces. But then this morning, there is been another selling. So the question I am asking is the relief rally over for the downside to continue? Are we going to see another new low, which we don't know? All right. So we just have to cross our legs to see what will be the next move for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Now let me do Ether. Ether price movement. Ether was just mimicking Bitcoin price movement. So after the new low on 21st November, there was attempted rally. A relief rally to the 20 EMA. Price started going down again, and then out of nowhere, just like what happened for BTC, Ether buyers also pushed price higher. This is first day and then the second day. So even on Ether, the second day, price closed above the 20 EMA, and at the same time to the pivot high, which we call it breakout. Now, for this breakout to work, it means we don't need to price must not bounce back to the range. If selling pressure pushes price back to the range, it means this is what we call a false breakout. It means whoever bought here, you're going to lose your money, or probably you're going to get stopped out. That's Ether for you. Okay, now let's look at what the volume is also telling us and what RSI is also telling us. On this breakout candle, RSI was at 51. So the RSI jumped a bit, or a margin above the middle band. If you've been using RSI, we have the upper band, we have the lower band, and then the middle band. From the middle band, from the 50 to the 70 for buyers or for bulls, and then for from 50 below down to 30 level for downtrend market or for sellers, right? So now RSI is at 50 to 40, 49 level. So it's kind of a mixed reaction over here on the RSI. But the buying volume on the breakout isn't really impressive. Yeah, who knows? So if price bounce back to close below the breakout candle, this happens to be a false breakout. Let me select another pair, Solana. I think it hit exactly at previous pivot level. So now the 145 level is our strong resistance level. Yesterday there was a push down, price retraces completely to this retest candle, right? Over here there was it seems like a double bottom over here. Price didn't touch the last low move, but just a shy away from the last low. So let's say here is our support level. So now we are looking at 121.7 to 145.40 range. Are we going to see a breakdown from 1 to 1 level or breakout from 145 level? That is Solana. It's been in downtrend since September high. So after September high, there was a pullback here. Price attempted rally, and then boom, on the 10th of October, everything changed. And then we've seen a series of lower lows and low high. From here to here, lower low, another lower low, lower low. And then whenever you see a lower low, definitely the rally is going to be a low high, right? So now it seems like the 145.4 level is holding as a strong resistance level since buyers were not able to push through the resistance level. Okay, now let's talk about BNB. The BNB also break out from resistance level and even cross over both the 20 and then the 200, but now price is back to the range. So maybe this breakout is not going to work out. If there is another massive sell-off, it means probably we're going to see another long position getting liquidated. Yeah. So I want to take you through from October 10th, the number of massive long position liquidated we've seen in this market. So let me start from here. On the 10th of October. So we're going to look at this on the 10th of October. Over $1 billion long positions were liquidated. So let's go to the chart and see the 10th of October candle. I'm using BTC. So obviously it was this candle, right? Okay. And then another crazy liquidation day was on 4th November. 4th November. So let's go to the chart to see the 4th November candle. This is November. So this candle. Yeah. So maybe people were holding a long position at 111 or maybe 116 level. This candle took all of them out of the market. And then Another crazy liquidation day was on the 14th of November 2025, right? So let's go to the chart and see 14th November 2025. 14th November. Okay, so it was this candle, a very strong candle. That day, the market closed negative 5.3%, and it got a lot of people out from the market. Okay, and then another liquidation day, a high liquidation day, was on the 18th November last month, and then this one was on 21st November. So let's look at 18th November and then 21st. This is 18th, this candle, and then the 21st was on this. This was the last lower low candle ever printed before this short-term bullish sentiment began. Yeah, and then let's look at another. This was on 4th December. So on the 4th December, yes, 4th December, 4th December, this very candle. Okay, let's go back again. Sorry, 1st December. Wait. Yes, 1st December. So yes, 1st December. This is the candle. Yes, this particular candle got a lot of crypto traders talking on social platforms, Reddit, X. A lot of people were talking. People were losing hope, right? So this candle really brought, big pains into crypto market. So are we going to see another massive sell-off, which is going to get a lot of long position liquidated? We don't know. So now let's say you have this level where price reverses this level and then this level, right? So either 83,847 level to hold support, or 80,000 494 level to hold support. We're going to watch the chart very carefully. The same here on Ether, 2,622 level to hold support, or 2,717 level to hold support. So this morning, crypto market sentiment is very bearish. So that's this morning. But I think early in the morning it was a bit bullish, but then we don't know what really happened. Pushing people to sell, pushing people to sell right now. We don't know. So let's wait till the market closes. If maybe buyers would come in aggressively to push price higher, or the selling momentum continues. So tomorrow I'll be here tomorrow morning to give you updates from crypto market. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.